Hello everyone. Okay, so I'm not physically going to do this, but I'm going to explain it to you step by step how to make furniture polish. So when I started ditching the toxins and switching to Young Living's safer options or DIY recipes, this was one I really wanted to get into. So I got myself, you can see we've been using ours, I got myself one of these little aluminium tins, right? And what you do is you get the organic. So this is just organic coconut oil. So I don't like to heat in the microwave, so I use like a little pot. I put some filter water in and just put my measuring jug. I scoop the coconut into it and I melt it that way. Then I take it off the heat and then you just dry your jug. Then you'll have your liquid. So this becomes a liquid, obviously, right? And then what we do is I put in 6 drops of Thieves and I put in 6 drops of lemon. You can also use purification if you like. I like to use the Thieves and the lemon. I like to think of my immune system and my helper's immune system being helped as we clean our homes. So yeah, that's my DIY for furniture polish. It does solidify. You can also just pop it in the fridge to just help it solidify. And there you have it. Thieves furniture polish.